In this video, I'll be showing you two methods that will enable you to download any video from Storyblocks without the watermark. I will advise you stick around for the second method that I'll be showing in this video because that will definitely blow your mind. So the first thing you have to do is to log on to storyblocks.com and locate the particular video you want to download right for your project. So I'm going to use this video, right? So next up, I'm going to come down here to where I have this download watermarked, right? So I'm going to click to download the video. So next up, you come to this website, magiceraser.org, right? And then go to where you have video tools and then click video watermark remover. Next up, I'm going to upload the video that I just downloaded. That's the Storyblocks video that has the watermark. Now, so once the video has successfully uploaded to this website, so as you can see right here, we have the Storyblocks logo very visibly, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where I have this brush tool right here. I'm going to click it. I can increase the size of the brush a bit. I'm going to come to where I have the logo right here and just brush it off. I can also do that for where I have both the logo and the text, right? Do that carefully like so, and then I come here and click remove now. So just give the algorithm on this website a few seconds to process your request. So as you can see right here, the watermark has been successfully removed from this video. Right, so all I can do right here is to go ahead and click this green button to download my video. I'm going to copy the link right here. Click this to copy the link. Now log on to this website. Now, so you come down here to where you have this text field. So I'm going to paste the link I just copied, right? And then I'm going to click this download button. So once your link has been processed, you come to where you have download, right? So it opens a new page and you have this counter here, right? So you just allow it to count all the way down to 0. Yeah, so once that is done, you click skip ad. So as you can see right here, the video has just been downloaded to my laptop. So I'm going to open this video. Yes, so let me open the folder when the video is. So as you can see, this is the video that I just downloaded from Storyblocks. And as you can see very clearly, there are no watermarks whatsoever on this video. So tell me in the comment section which of the methods do you actually prefer, the first method or the second method. So if you found this useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video.